Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add a video background on PowerPoint step by step. I'm working on Windows, but this applies to Mac as well. First, click on the slide where you want the video background to appear. You'll find it in the slide thumbnails on the left sidebar. That slide will now show up in your main editing canvas. Next, click the Insert tab at the top of the ribbon. Once that opens, you'll see various insertion options, including the one we need. Click on Video, and a drop-down menu will appear. Depending on your version, you'll see options like This Device, Video on My PC, or Stock Videos. For this tutorial, I'll use a local video file. So click This Device. A dialog box will open where you can browse for your video, select your video file, and click Insert. The video will appear on your slide, but it's probably not covering the whole thing yet. Now we need to resize it. Select the video if it's not already selected, then grab one of the corner handles, drag outward to enlarge the video until it fills the entire slide. If you want to keep the proportions locked, hold Shift while you drag. Once the video covers the slide, you're good. Next, we need to send the video to the back so anything else on your slide appears on top of it. Right-click on the video and select Send to Back from the context menu. Any text boxes or images you have will now sit above the video. Now let's set up the playback. Click on the video, then click the Playback tab in the ribbon near the top. It might say Video Tools Playback or Video Playback depending on your version. Once that opens, you'll see the Video Options group. In that group, find the Start drop-down menu, click on it, and change it from on-click to automatically. This makes the video play as soon as you arrive at the slide. If you want the video to loop continuously, tick the Loop until Stop checkbox in the same Video Options group. This is useful if your video is short or you need it to keep playing in the background. Finally, if your video has sound and you want it muted, click the volume dropdown in the Video Options group and select Mute. Once you've done all that, press F5 to play the slideshow and test your video background. You can add text boxes, images, or shapes on top of the video. They'll appear over the motion background. Remember, this applies to individual slides, so if you want the same video background on multiple slides, you'll need to repeat these steps for each one. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the